thoughts and the pain attached to them. Sometimes I wonder why this is happening. It's like nothing I can do would distract me when I think of how I shot myself in the back again. Cause from the infinite words I can say, I put all the pain you gave to me on display. But didn't realize, instead of setting it free, I took what I hated and made it a part of me. And now you become a part of me. You'll always be right here. You become a part of me. You'll always be my fear. I can't separate myself from what I've done. Giving up a part of me. I let myself become you. Hearing your name, the memories come back again. I remember when it started happening. I see you in every thought I had, and then the thoughts only found words attached to them. And I knew as they escaped away, I was committing myself to them. And every day I regret saying those things, cause